Hello everybody. You can see the content today which we are going to study. That is fraction exercise 3C question number 4 and 5. Now in this exercise 3C we were dealing with simplification, isn't it? Simplification involving multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. And I am sure that this has already been done. We have done it. Okay. Now, why question number 4? Why? Okay. Number 4 is different as not only multiplication of fractions, multiplication of fractions are involved in the form of but physical unit have also been mentioned. Physical unit have also been mentioned. Now when you are talking about physical unit like length, like mass, time, and you well know that when you are talking about length, it should be in meter, kilometer, centimeter, decimeter, mass in gram, kilogram, decagram, hectogram, time should be in seconds, in minutes, in hours, isn't it? So these are the physical unit. Therefore, after solving, isn't it? After solving, it is necessary to mention, you have to mention the units. And if you do not mention the units, you know the consequences. What will happen in the examination, isn't it? Therefore, let's come to number 4, which states that find the value of. So we will be finding the value of carefully. How? Like they say that 3/5 of 1 hour. Now this 1 hour, I find that the denominator cannot cancel with this, or this number 1 hour is not such a number with which on cancellation we can get a smaller unit. Always remember that our priority is to remove the denominator. So when we remove the denominator, naturally we get answer in whole number. This whole number you may get or may not get your answer in whole number, but our motive is that we should get our answer here as whole number. Therefore, what we do, the same sum 3/5 of 1 hour, we change this into the nearest smaller unit. Remember, nearest smaller unit. So when we change to nearest smaller unit, so 3/5 of 1 hour can be written as 60 minutes. Now I find that you can easily cancel it, isn't it? 5, how many times? 12 times is equal to 36 minutes. Now when we come to number 3, 3 by 5 of, in number 3 we have 4 by 7 of 2 1 by 3 kg. Now 4 by 7 of means multiplication. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 kg. 7 cancels. You can see that this 7 cancels, and what we get? We get 4 by 3 kg. This unit should not be forgotten, my dear. If you forget it, naturally I will also forget to give you the marks. Okay, so here we have 1 by 3 kg. In number 4, what I find is they have given you 3 1 by 2 times of 2 meters. Now 3 1 by 2 times means here multiplication. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 multiplied by 2 meter. I need not to change meter into centimeter. Why should I? If I can get my answer in a whole number, that is 7 meter. When I come to number 6, I have 5 by 11 of 4 by 5 of 22 kg. And as you know that this of means multiplication, isn't it? So let me write it beautifully so that you do not get confused. Of 22 kg. Now let me cancel it. Okay, let's cancel 11 2 times 5 and finally we get it as our answer is 8 kg. This is our solution. Remember never to forget the units. Okay, now when we come to question number 5, they say that simplify and reduce to single fraction. Okay, so what to learn here? The problem here is that is question number 5 also the same? So what are we going to learn here in question number 5? So in question number 5 is very important. Why? Because here we need to observe. What to observe? Observe the questions. questions. Questions properly. Why properly? Why are we going to observe? What properly? The way it is written. Observe the questions properly, the way it is written. Means here if you are given 3 by 4, observe this. Here I find that this is bigger than this. So this bigger line, because of this bigger line, I can distinguish that 3 is the numerator, while 3 by 4 is the denominator. Now once you have found out the numerator and the denominator, your problem is solved, because by now you have become expert in cancellation. So the same thing I am going to write. Have a look. 3 divided by 3 by 4, or 3 divided by how much? This is 15 by 4, or 3 multiplied by 4 by 15. You can see that 15 by 4 is the divisor. 15 by 4 is the divisor. So when 15 by 4 is the divisor, in order, if you are changing the division into multiplication, the reciprocal of the divisors should be done, not the dividend. Reciprocal of the divisor should be done. Now, let's cancel it. 3 1 times, 3 5 times is equal to 4 by 5. You are happy now. I am so happy only. Come on. Let's come to number 2, where you have 3 by 5, a big dash, and then 7. So now here you know that this is your numerator, this is your numerator, and this is your denominator. So what are we going to write? 3 by 5 divided by 7. This means now 3 by 5 divided by 7 means 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 1. Oh, so 3 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 7. So now let's solve, let's cancel it. I find that it cannot get cancelled. Therefore 3 by 35 is our solution, isn't it? Now moving on to number 3, isn't it? What we have 3, moving on to number 3, we have 3 divided by 5 by 7. Therefore 3 divided by 5 by 7 can be written as 3 multiplied by 7 by 5, because I have clearly distinguished that this is the numerator, this is the denominator, is equal to 21 by 5. Let's change it into mixed fraction, which is equal to 4 1 by 5 as our solution. Let's come to number 4, and in number 4 we have 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 10. So you all can see that this is our numerator while this is our denominator. How can you write it? As 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 10. So 5 2s are 10, 11 by 5. I need not to say, because by till now you have become expert in solving all this. 10 1 times, 11 by 10. Now 11 by 5 multiplied by 10 by 11. You know how to cancel it? Of course, 1 times 1 times 5 1 times 5 2 times is equal to 2 is the solution as a whole number, isn't it? Now, and the remaining problems, when I come to the remaining problems, so these remaining problems are based under the rule bodmas. You should not forget this bodmas, isn't it? Number 6, 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1 by 3. Okay, now first let me change this into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8, 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 7 into 1 by 3, and according to the bodmas rule, my dear, I see that division comes first, then multiplication. Therefore I will look for the divisor. This is your divisor, this is your divisor, and I am going to change multiplication over here. 9 by 4 multiplied by 7 by 1 into 1 by 3. Therefore, let's see, 3 1 times, 3 3 times is equal to 21 by 4, which comes to 5 1 by 4 as our solution, isn't it? When we come to number 7, It is also very easy. 1 by 3 multiplied by 4, 2 by 3 divided by 3.5 into 1 by 2. Once again, I find that this is our divisor. Before we change, let us convert it into improper fraction. 1 by 3, sorry, this is not a line, okay, this is not a line. 1 by 3 multiplied by 14 by 3 divided by 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. I find that it has started looking beautiful. I am going to change this division. Therefore, in order to change this division into multiplication, what should I do? I will have to convert this into its reciprocal. Means 1 by 3 multiplied by 14 by 3, not, what is this? Division. Okay, multiplied by 2 by 7 into 1 by 2. Now what should you do? We will have to cancel it. Shall we? Of course. We should cancel it. 7 one time, 7 two times. And here I find that this 2 and this 2 will also get cancelled. So finally what I get? 2 by 3 into 3, 9. 2 by 9 as our solution, isn't it? When I come to number 8, should we come to number 8? What do we have in number 8? In number 8, we have 2 by 3. 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. As I said, I would look for the divisor. Now before I look for the divisor, I need to change it into improper fraction. 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7. Later on I am going to change. Of means multiply, isn't it? Of means multiply, but before I multiply, we shall learn this, the importance of this of. Therefore, I would term this sum as very important for the examination point of view. 3 by 7 of 8 2 times 16 plus 5, 21 by 8. And I find that here we have multiplication also, here we have division also, and here we have of also. Which one should be solved first? And naturally you will say that this portion should be solved first. Why? Because it comes under bodmas rule. BODMAS. Of comes first. Therefore I am going to solve this portion first, okay, and synchronize it. So 7 1 times 7, 7 3 times 21, or you can say 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 4 divided by 3 3s are 9 by 8. Now we will look for the divisor, because multiplication and division sign is over here. I am going to change this into its reciprocal, ulta, opposite. 2 by 3 into 5 by 4 multiplied by 8 by 9. Now, shall we cancel it? Of course, we should. 4 2 times. 4 1 times 2 times 8. Now, nothing is going to cancel. So here we have 20 by 27 as our solution. I'll do one or two more, isn't it? And I find that when I come to number 12, what do I find? In 12 we have a simpler one. 4 by 5 of 7 by 15 divided by 8 by 9. So once again, though of is here and division is over here, we need to solve this one first. Why? Because it comes before division. So let's solve this portion first. This portion should be solved first. So nothing cancels. 7 4 times 28 and 5 into 15 divided by 8 by 9. I am going to solve this one first. Division should be changed to multiplication. Therefore 28 by 75 multiplied by 9 by 8, and now 3 times 3, 25 times 4 2 times 8, while 4 7 times. Nothing cancels and we get 21 by 50 as our solution, isn't it? Okay, the last one, number 13. The last one, number 13, when I find that number 13 is 13 means xi 13, I find that this is also very easy, where we have half of 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3, isn't it? Divided by 2 by 3. Now when I solve this, I have division of also, multiplication and division also. Which one should be solved first? And naturally now you will say the off portion should be solved first. Will anything get cancelled over here? No. Therefore it is 1 into 3, 3 by 2 into 4, 8 multiplied by 1 by 2. Please copy this sum as it is after you solve. Okay. Now I find that in multiplication and division should be solved first. This portion should be solved first. Therefore 3 by 8 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2 is reciprocal, should be done. Will anything get cancelled over here? And you will say naturally nothing will get cancelled. Therefore 9 by how much? 32 is our solution. Now from question number 6 to 20 we have word problems, okay, which shall be dealt separately, isn't it? Thank you.